Okay, and going in that side. Okay, after that, in this point, at this point, now the distance of this and this is what? This is u. This is u, and this is v. Okay. Now, if you want to write, then this is u. Object is starting from here, and last point the object is reached this point. This will be v. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
The object is going in this direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if this point is C, okay, and this is D,
Yes, sir.
this is
B.
A,
A.
this is E, okay,
Yes, sir.
and it is O, okay,
D.
understand? And this is D,
Yes, sir.
okay. So, and this is the indication of T. This is T. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to write it. Okay. Do you understand what is this and what is the
Yes, sir.
value? So we have to write. Consider, now write down. Consider an object is moving consider an object is moving with uniform acceleration with uniform acceleration. Okay, an object is moving with uniform acceleration, and uniform acceleration, what is the acceleration? This is a, okay, along a straight line. Keep quiet. Along a straight line. The initial velocity, change your line. The initial velocity, velocity of object is u. Okay. U, and final velocity final velocity v at time interval t is equal to 0 and t is equal to t, okay, respectively. When time is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, then velocity is initial, means u. When t is equal to t, then the velocity will be final, means v. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, let s is total distance traveled by moving object. Okay. Now write down. Now OD. Here OD is equal to U. OD is equal to U.
U.
Comma, and OC. OC is equal to V.
Yes, sir.
OE. comma करिएगा, OE is equal to T. Understand?
Yes, sir.
OERDA is equal to DA also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is the form? What is the total figure form? The total figure formed what? A, B, D, O, E. Now look. The total figure formed what? A, B, D, O,
D. O.
E.
E.
Total figure is this, na?
Yes, sir.
Then this is which
Yes,
type of
sir.
figure? This is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. Okay.
Trapezium. Yes, sir.
Why? Why this is trapezium? Because two lines are parallel. OD and EB are parallel. Okay. Here the distance covered. श्वेता का पता नहीं चला अभी तक. Wait. The distance covered by moving object. Is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? एरिया ऑफ क्या हो जाएगा? ये एरिया कवर्ड बाय ट्रेपेजियम. कौन सा ट्रेपेजियम है? ट्रेपेजियम का नाम बताइए. What is the name of trapezium? A, B, D, O, E. Okay. Have you done it, Garima?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the formula of area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is equal to half into क्या होता है? Sum of parallel side. Sum of parallel side means OD plus EB. EB. Half into sum of parallel side into क्या हो जाएगा? Distance between sides means AD. AD. AD और OE, चाहे AD लिखें या OE लिखें, ठीक है? Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now solve it. क्या हो जाएगा? Half. It will be half into OD means what? U. OD means U plus EB means what? EB means OC means V into AD means T. AD means T. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this will be equation number this is question number 1. Okay. This will be equation number 1. S is equal to half into U plus V into T. This will be equation number 1. श्वेता दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
हाँ सर दिख रहा है.
थोड़ा लेट करके आई हो. Now from equation okay, चलिए आगे चले. Now
Yes, sir.
A is equal to acceleration is equal to what is the formula? V minus U V minus
By T.
U by T. Okay.
T.
So
Yes.
acceleration is equal to V minus
Yes,
U by
sir.
T, na? Then what is the formula? If we want to find it, then it will be equal, or we can write this is in this way. This is equal to now. This is equal to, if you want to find the value of T from this equation, then what will be the formula? V minus U upon A. क्यों क्लियर हुआ? यदि इससे हम T की वैल्यू निकाले तो क्या हो जाएगा? V माइनस U अपॉन A हो जाएगा. Do you understand? गरिमा, श्वेता,
Yes, sir.
understand ना?
Yes, sir.
Now from equation 1 आप T की वैल्यू क्या करेंगे? इसमें उठा करके रखेंगे. ओके, ई की वैल्यू क्या करेंगे, हम इसमें उठा करके पुट करेंगे। सो लिखेंगे फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 व्हाट इज द वैल्यू, इक्वेशन 1 के अकॉर्डिंग क्या हो जाएगा, चलिए वैल्यू रखते हैं इक्वेशन 1 में। s इज इक्वल टू
U
हाफ इंटू
U plus
लिसन v
U
प्लस
plus
u,
A.
u प्लस v को हम v प्लस u लिख सकते हैं, बोलिए, u प्लस v को v प्लस u लिख सकते हैं।
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ इनटू t के प्लेस पे क्या लिखेंगे, वी हैव टू
T.
राइट v
T.
माइनस u अपॉन a। ओके, नाउ सॉल्व इट,
Yes, sir.
solve 1 upon 2 v plus u v minus u, then a minus b a plus b, what is the formula of this, a square minus b square,
Yes, sir.
v plus u and v minus u, then it will be v square minus
A,
u square.
yes, sir. A square minus B square.
Now if you लिख सकते हैं as we know what a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square ना, हाँ,
Yes, sir.
then here we write what, v square minus u square. Okay, v square minus u square whole upon what will be 2 into a, 2a, 2a. Okay, understand, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then we can write what, 2a का मल्टीप्लाई s में करेंगे, then 2as is equal to here we write what, 2as is equal to b square minus u square. B square minus u square. So finally, what will we write? Finally, formula will be what? E square is equal to E square is equal to U स्क्वायर को ट्रांसफर कर लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? U स्क्वायर प्लस 2 A and S. ठीक, क्लियर? क्लियर हुआ कि इसको और साफ लिखे? राइट कर लीजिए फटाफट, कंप्लीट हो गया। ठीक, यहीं पे ये आपका कंप्लीट हो गया।
हो गया।
हीट हो गया तो यहाँ पे लिख दिया जाएगा हेंस प्रूव्ड। ठीक, क्लियर? यहाँ से आपका थर्ड इक्वेशन कंप्लीट। ओके, एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो? Okay, then write down. Okay, then what is the next topic? Tell me topic.